To fix the loud fan noise issue on the PS5 Slim, it's essential to understand that the console produces a significant amount of heat while in operation, and a fan is incorporated to cool it down. The fan typically generates some noise while running. However, if the noise is excessively loud, it may be due to clogged air vents or a poorly ventilated area. To address these issues, start by cleaning the air vents. Turn off the console, disassemble the outer cover, and locate the fans. Use a soft brush to gently clean the vent and fans, and then use a vacuum cleaner to further clean the air vents. Once cleaned, reassemble the outer cover and test the console. Additionally, ensure the console is installed in a well-ventilated area by removing any fluffy carpets that may be obstructing airflow, clearing external obstructions from the air vents, and maintaining some free space around the console. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the PS5 Slim fan noise issue.